In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit DNS record in GoDaddy. Whether you're pointing your domain to a new website, setting up email, or fixing a configuration, I'll walk you through the exact screens so you can make changes confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to GoDaddy. Searching for the site in Google is fine. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account. After you're logged in, look to the top right and click your account name to open the menu. From that drop-down, choose My Products. This is where all your domains and services are listed together. Find the domain you want to work on and select it. If you manage multiple domains, double-check you're choosing the correct one because DNS changes affect where that domain points. Quick tip: if your domain is using custom name servers from another provider, your DNS records may live there instead. In that case, you won't be able to edit them inside GoDaddy. With the correct domain selected, click DNS. This opens the DNS management page. You'll see a table of existing records, usually including CNAME, MX, and TXT records. If you're not sure which one to modify, match the type and host to the instructions you were given by your website host, email provider, or app. Scroll down to find the specific DNS record you want to edit. Take a moment to confirm the type and name, sometimes called host. For example, the host @ represents the root of your domain, and www is the subdomain for www.yourdomain.com. When you locate the correct row, click the pencil icon next to it to open the editor. Now you can edit the name, type, and value fields. Name is the host you're changing, type is the kind of record, and value is where it should point. For example, an A record's value is an IP address, a CNAME points to another host name, and an MX record points to your mail server with a priority. Enter exactly what your provider specified, paying attention to dots, capitalization where required by a service, and any special formatting. If TTL is shown, the default is usually fine unless your provider says otherwise. When you're done, click Save. Your change will update in GoDaddy immediately, but DNS propagation across the internet can take time, often a few minutes, sometimes up to 24-48 hours. If a service doesn't work right away, give it a little time and clear your browser or DNS cache when checking. That's it. You've successfully edited a DNS record in GoDaddy. Thanks for watching, and happy configuring.